Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide your friends list on Facebook. We start by opening our Facebook profile, then we will enter the Friends category. Here we will go to the three-dot options menu and then click on Edit Privacy. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here we will see different options for friends and followers. We can edit your privacy options by clicking on the currently configured one. If we want to hide friends completely, we will choose the Only Me option and apply changes with Done. We will do the same in each option that we want to hide. After that, we will have hidden our friends list on Facebook. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.